The M5 is gonna live again?
Man, that's what I'm told. Hey guys, we're back. Last time you saw our last video, I was definitely down. Brand new motor took a crap. So it's been down. We just received word that the machine shop is done. They are ready for us to come pick up the engine. So we're gonna move this thing out of this dead corner, go put it on my lift, go prep to go pick up the motor, and then show you guys a whole entire bunch of goodies that we've been getting in this downtime that we've had while the motor's been getting built. So let's start pushing
on the lift, yeah. Do we use brakes?
No.
No brakes?
No, we do not. Dude, I'm so stoked. I want to drive this thing again so bad. We got no engine, Trevor.
Slight problem.
Why? But we have one that's on the way. And we have a plethora of other goodies that was not on the car before. Titanium front mount intakes, full low pressure fuel pump, pure turbos. Did not have those before. And then as of today, while you were gone, there's a set of boxes up front.
Really?
Yes, sir. And I have not opened them yet. I waited.
Oh, I think I know what this is.
Not these. These are for an M2. These are cool though, but that's not it. Maybe? I don't know. This is like playing Guess Who. Nope, those are not mine either. This is like pick the magic number. Yeah, these are sick. So, Inga's hooked this up again. If you followed us along, we've been promoting them a lot, using a lot of their wheels on our stuff. And they come out with a brand new design. I've only seen this in a rendering. Let's check these out.
Oh, those are sick. Those are wild.
Triple vented. And we threw in a little shop touch.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are totally custom.
Yeah.
Those are gonna look good.
That's gonna look so sick. Granted, this is a front wheel. I can tell by the concave. The back's gonna be a lot deeper. This is a narrow wheel. Absolutely.
What finish is this?
This is called polished coffee.
Yeah, you can tell it's not totally silver. You know, it's got a touch of something.
It almost reminds me of like a rose gold wheel in a way, but not as dramatic. I'm excited.
Now we just need a motor.
I know. We got everything to go at one shot. This is a rear. You can tell way more concave in the back. What do you guys think? Color, style, let us know. And even if you don't like them, I don't care. These are awesome.
You know Matt's going to get a motor right now?
I know.
Yeah?
He's been gone like 3 hours. He's supposed to go there and come back. I think he's putting the motor in his car there. So since Matt's been gone for like 3 or 4 hours now, I went ahead and pulled the subframe down for him. You know, it was fully assembled in the car. I pulled it out. If I had the motor, I probably could have had it in the car by the time he got back, as long as it's been. But yeah, so the subframe's out. Plan is he's gonna get back with the motor sometime tomorrow probably, and then put the motor on the subframe, put the trans up to it, and hopefully by the end of next week,
The M5 will live again.
for the second time. This car, that's not over there anymore. The white car, both have got brand new motors and then killed brand new motors within like 1,000 miles. The white car is living currently. M5 might be living soon. Hopefully they make it to 2,000 miles this time.
This is like some deja vu all over
Yeah, I feel
again.
like we just did this.
This better be the last time this motor goes in this car, or I'm gonna burn it down.
Very nice.
Probably would.
No, you won't. You like this car too much.
Do I though? I haven't even got to enjoy it.
So, we know Gage got the subframe out of the car.
Right. Yeah, he's been working real hard on that today. But yeah, subframe's out of the car. Motor is obviously here. So now we get the fun enjoyment of putting engine back on stand, putting all components back on engine, and start to make this thing look like a car again instead of a million pieces. Didn't we just do this? I said that already, but didn't we just do this? Jeez, just pick the fucking thing up already. already. What?
I'm trying to, man.
We're filming here.
God. He's still not figured that out yet.
He doesn't know that we film things. Yeah, they. So truck.
I think the truck's moving.
Throw it off. I hope so.
It always does. Now we start with, I'm gonna get this motor assembled and then put the trans on, and I'm gonna put it back on the subframe, and then we'll start going back in the car.
Did you use an extension?
Yeah, it was the same thing.
I don't know why you find that so funny.
Probably better
Extension
than
or
what we were
tiny
tool?
pin. I mean, it's all the same.
It concerns me.
from rotating.
You mean this concerns you more than a little pin that they send with it?
Yes.
You're a strange fella. You know that?
Yes, I am.
Put this thing back together. Okay, before it can go back on the cradle, we need to put the other manifold on, the variable control motor on this side, the AC compressor, the oil feed lines, wiring harness. I'll probably go ahead and, I don't have to, but I'll probably go ahead and just put my like plugs, coils, etc. in it, just so I don't risk anything falling in there. That's pretty much it. Like starter, harness, all that stuff, that all goes together. So I'll start on this side and I work my way around to the other side with the engine harness. And everything else can be done while it's sitting on our engine table, and then we'll get rid of stuff in the car.
What do we got?
We have a mess, that's what we have. But no, seriously, we have roughly 90% of a motor put together. Engine's on, harness is on, turbos are obviously on. It's back in the cradle, so our next step is going to be grabbing the transmission, bolting it up. I'll finish running the wiring harness to the transmission and tucking that out of the way. Get the downpipes put back on, then plumb up a few things up front, and we'll get ready to stab this thing in the car.
I feel like that was a lot for one video.
Yeah, I mean, it kind of is. So I want to thank you guys for staying with us. You know, if you follow this journey, then you know, I mean, we've been through hell with this car. We bought it with a rod knock. We documented, you know, building all that, got it back together. It blew up, oil pump failure. We've gone through all that. You can go back through the channel and check it out. So now we're back with, I guess technically, second rebuilt motor, forged internals, bigger turbos, you know, etc, etc, etc. At this point, I've got it 90% ready to go in the car. So we're gonna call this stopping point for this one.
Yep.
So keep watching. The next steps you guys are gonna see are us mating it back to the body, putting all the accessories on the front, putting the exhaust on, and doing a startup. And after that, we'll do what everybody wants, and we'll go for a drive.
Yes. What are we still thinking? Like 900-ish, but need clutches still.
We need clutches. So the two numbers that I'm shooting for is like, without clutches, on stock clutches, I'll probably just do 700 wheel, leave it alone, try not to break it. I'll break the motor in that way. We'll get a set of SSPs after that, and then we'll go for 900, maybe more. Motor is definitely built for it. We'll push it and we'll see what happens.
Yep. Sounds like a plan.
Yeah. So stay tuned. Make sure to check it out and keep watching. Subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you guys like, don't like, so on and so forth.